Hi there, students. A twinge, a countable noun. I guess you could use it as a verb as well, but I think it's much more common as a noun. Let's see, a twinge is a sudden, sharp feeling of pain, a sudden, short little feeling of pain. So, I felt twinges of pain in my knees as I stood up. Yeah. I felt a twinge in my back because of an old injury that I'd had. Okay, so it's like a little bit of pain, a sudden physical pain, but it can also be emotional or mental. So I felt a twinge of remorse at not helping them. Okay, so like a pang of, oh, I really should have helped them. Yeah. Okay, so it's either a little physical pain. Yeah. When I eat ice, I keep feeling twinges. When I eat very cold things, I feel twinges from a tooth at the back of my mouth. Yeah, a sudden oof. Yeah, so like it's a physical pain. Yeah, but then it can also be an emotional one as well. Yeah, it's almost like something tweaks it, something pinches it. Yeah. So a sudden short sharp pain, and then yeah, I felt twinges in my side, but I don't know why. So I had to go to the doctor. Yeah, I guess you could say my side twinged. Yeah. As a verb, although I'm much happier with a twinge of something. I got a twinge in my elbow. Ow, ow, ow. Yeah. Changes in the weather give me twinges in my fingers. I think probably more commonly, though, a twinge of some sort of emotion. So a twinge of regret. Yeah, a twinge of emotion. Yeah, I had a twinge of guilt about what I'd done. I felt a twinge of sympathy for the situation that the people were in, a sudden like attack of sympathy, but it doesn't last a very long time. Yeah, so it's like a short, sharp pain. Woof! I've got a twinge. I've got a twinge of indigestion. Yeah, it's sort of like it stabs you very, very suddenly. Okay, so it's effectively a localized pain or a brief wave of an emotion, particularly an unpleasant one. Yeah, I felt a twinge of guilt about this. I felt pangs of guilt. Yeah, I felt misgivings. My sense of guilt was pricking me. Okay, so a twinge. Okay, what about formality? I think I'm probably going to give this 4.5 in formality. I would use it in an informal conversation, definitely. In a semi-formal conversation, without problems. A semi-formal writing, but nothing more formal than that. I think I might use pang more formally. And then as to origin, okay, there's an Old English word twingan, meaning to pinch, to pinch. Ow. Yeah, I felt a twinge of pain. To squeeze, from Proto-Germanic twang to pinch again. Okay, so yeah, effectively a pinch of pain. Yeah, a twinge of pain, and then a pinch mentally as well. Okay, so a twinge, a sudden short sharp pain, but it can be both physical and mental. Yeah, so when it rains, I feel twinges in my toes. Yeah, they hurt, and then a twinge of guilt, a twinge of remorse, a twinge of what else could I have a twinge of? Yeah, a twinge of jealousy would be quite a good one as well. Notice these twinges are normally negative emotions. I wouldn't say a twinge of passionate love. No, a twinge of jealousy, a twinge of anger. Yeah, normally with bad emotions. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Twinge.